Bitcoin has been the undisputed market leader since the cryptocurrency wave swept the world. While Ethereum has been the lone challenger to the world's largest cryptocurrency, its technology has suffered from several issues that have held it back, and gradually, the gap has widened between them. To overcome the challenges facing Ethereum, its developers have released an upgrade called London Hard Fork. The terminology hard fork itself means when the majority of a cryptocurrency community, comprising developers, miners, and investors decide to change the fundamental rules governing the underlying technology, then a hard fork happens. Ethereum is a technology that makes use of blockchain technology to facilitate peer-to-peer contracts. Unlike traditional contracts, written in human languages, these smart contracts are written in codes that a computer can execute. The Ethereum network before this upgrade used to follow the proof-of-work mining method to validate these contracts. Proof of work is currently used for Bitcoin and used to be for Ethereum before the upgrade, which means that miners must solve complex crypto algorithms, puzzles, in order to validate a block. Ethereum miners used to receive associated transaction fees along with 2 Ethereum distributed to miners for each block mined. This requires all miners using their computer processing power to help solve cryptographic puzzles, and this in turn uses up a lot of electricity to get these machines running all day. Electricity costs are in the region of hundreds of thousands of dollars for larger crypto mining centers, while the proof-of-stake model is focused on using all computers in the network to validate. For example, if you own Ethereum and decide your stake with any crypto exchange platform, you will be a partner of validation of a block and receive reward. If you want to be a full validator, you need to own 32 Ethereum to have access to the validator software. People who stake more of their crypto will have a higher chance of receiving a reward. Both methods require a collective effort. The main difference is that in proof-of-stake the whole network is working together, while proof-of-work miners compete with each other to solve a block, which means having the best internet connection, computer processing, and lower electricity costs to offset the price. So now, what is inside the London Hard Fork? Bitcoin has a fixed supply cap, meaning that only 21 million BTC will ever exist. By contrast, Ethereum is an inflationary cryptocurrency, and this means that there's no upper limit on how many Ethereum can exist. Miners are awarded with brand new coins every time they validate a block, which happens roughly every 15 seconds. And also, they are also compensated with the transaction fees that are paid by users. EIP 1559, which is included in the London Hard Fork, aims to change this. Once enacted, miners will no longer receive income from transaction fees. Instead, it'll go straight to the network in order to be burned. Miners can still receive optional inclusion fees from users, which is why they are referred to as tips. This can make Ethereum coins more scarce and potentially more valuable. However, it may also cut miners' revenue in half. This could result in the circulating supply of Ethereum beginning to dwindle over time, potentially giving Ethereum's value a boost. Although there's nothing to stop miners from becoming validators, one small problem lies in the fact that many of them will have expensive equipment that now serves no purpose. Now, to be a full validator, you need to have 32 Ethereum to activate the validator software, which will increase the demand for Ethereum and will increase the price. Inside the London Fork, another upgrade, which is EIP 3554 and called the bombing delay. This network upgrade will increase proof-of-work mining difficulty in order to make it less appealing, and thereby make the transition to proof-of-stake on Ethereum 2.0 smoother. The London Hard Fork is a promising upgrade that could enable Ethereum to reclaim some of its previous market share siphoned by competing networks like Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, and Solana, as more developers decide to either migrate their existing projects or build new ones on top of it. EIP 1559's implementation will make gas fees more affordable, allowing users to enjoy relatively low-cost transactions whether they're sending payments, conducting DeFi schemes, or minting non-fungible tokens. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Ethereum videos. Thank you for watching.